Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create an email ID or email ID. So let's go. First we have to type create a Gmail account. Then you just go down stay account. Yeah, there it is. Create a Google account. Click on it. Now you should go to sign in option. Should the feature can create account, yes. First we have the dear John. We click Q. It's just examples, you can have yours and just something like that. So guys, it's really easy. Make a Gmail account. But there are lots of people that are not particular accounts. Simple. Just give a same password to confirm it 2 times. In the next form, you should give a number, a phone number you should give to that blank. I can recommend is absolutely one. The hell ID, the one 2000, gender, maybe male or she. Phone number necessary, but I just go without number. If you give a phone number, it's good because whenever you lost a password, you have to recover it. When you recover it, you just go past a verification code that's sent to your phone number. Therefore, there you go guys, completed. It's really easy. So guys, if you want 1,000 email ID with just one number, I will make a video for you. If you want to just comment it. Thanks for watching.